best best real estate property transfer I've ever had.
Great. Well, good.
Anyway,
Oh
so
my goodness, it's finally happened.
I know.
You've done well.
You did all the right things. I was talking to a young man today who's going to be joining my team, and we talked about being proactive and all those things that we ideally would love for our sellers to do in order to make these transactions a whole lot more, I guess, successful and easy. And you did all that. So, it was great because Mom put a lot of effort in with some minor repairs and doing the occupancy inspection, all that ahead of time. And it really paid up. It really paid off.
Yeah, it certainly, whatever we did and you said we should do, has paid off.
Oh, so you listened to me, which was, don't you wish everybody would? You've been so cooperative. It's been wonderful. But it really pays off.
Well, that's the main thing, right?
Absolutely. How was your your move? Because you'd been living in that house for a while and you had a lot of things to deal with, and you went to Friendship Village is awesome. How was that whole transition from leaving your home to going to your new home?
How did I feel about it?
How'd you feel about it? And how was the process in general in regard to, was it as smooth as you liked?
The process went well.
Yeah.
It really did. I was really pleased with what they did. For myself, it was a little effort to get adjusted, but I miss my house and I miss my neighbors, but that's okay.
Sure.
I'm doing fine, and everything went smooth. It really did.
Well, and you had some help.
Gary and Karen and Linda were here.
Right.
And it helped a great deal.
Absolutely. And sometimes you get in a situation where you have kids that are available to help and able to help and want to help. And sometimes you get in situations where that's not the case. You're very fortunate. You did a good job raising the kids. And the fact that they, were able to be there. And Gary came in today and he's leaving today, but he wanted to be here for closing to support you. So I think you did a wonderful job. You should be proud of your legacies, for sure.
Yeah, I was amazed that they set up the apartment perfectly, and I was really surprised because I thought maybe I wouldn't like where they put whatever, but it worked out fine. It really did.
Yeah, those companies do a really, really good job in regard to helping you decide what's going to fit, and then disposing or liquidating property that's left after you no longer want it or the family no longer wants it. So it's a really nice turnkey solution. You pay a price for that, but it's worth it, I think. And it seemed like it worked out really well for you.
Yeah, well.
Yeah. Everything, any recommendations of services, people, whatever that came either from you or from the Goldilocks were very good, first class.
Thank you.
People to work with, and that worked out great.
Yeah, it took us a while to build those relationships and know who we can count on. And plus, you went to a phenomenal community in Friendship Village. So when we all work together, it really works out nicely. So it's taken years to build it, but I'm glad it worked out well for you. And and I'm thrilled that you're happy where you are. And
I don't think we had any questions or problems when it was all happening. It was just really smooth.
No, best real estate property transfer I've ever had.
Great. Well, good. I should record that. Oh wait, I just did.
You did. Okay.
Yeah. No, that's awesome. No, I'm glad that we had the opportunity to help. I really am, and I'm thrilled for you. And I'm sure we'll keep in touch. And thanks for letting us record this and sharing it with the world. So thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you for helping.